Well,
Bakit si Jerome tumigil din?
we're not together anymore. It was a mutual decision to...
Lumayo si Jerome sa frame. Oh,
It was a mutual decision po to move forward individually. So, we're okay. We're good friends. And ayun po, sana, of course, maintindihan po yan ng mga taong nagmamahal sa amin. And tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung pagsuporta kahit we're on a different path na, diba?
But professionally, you guys are really, wow, like, showing up.
Oo naman. Kasi parang before naman po naging kami, we were good friends. And so, yun yung foundation namin eh. And saka, it was a mutual decision. So,
Ako hindi ako makamove on eh. Kasi yung huling chika ko sa inyo, dating to marry na.
Ganun naman po talaga.
Si Jo.
Si Jerome walang-wala na sa frame.
Masaya po ako dahil may proyekto na 1892. So, I'm just so excited to play Carmela and Carmelita, diba?
Willing ka pa rin ba makipag-work?
Ayan na, si Jerome na,
You know,
oh.
as of the moment, syempre may, you know, we have to give time for each other, diba? To breathe muna and everything like that. Pero once we see each other naman, and when we see each other, okay kami. Parang walang nagbago.
Paano iyak ka?
Hindi ako nag-iiyak.
Ang ganda ni Heaven.
Oh, ganda rin. Very huge topic. Sino support system mo ngayon?
Of course, my family, my mom. My best friend is there.
Oh.
Yes, and actually sila direct, sabi ni Jerome siya, sila ni Joseph, sila yung support system ko ngayon.
Oh.
And of course yung gym, so yeah.
Din Jim.
Yes.
I love it. You're still professionally open for Marvel.
Ano naman, we can still work together. We still have 2 books together, diba? Maraming salamat po sa, of course, sa pagmamahal na ibinigay niyo sa amin. And alam kong masakit din po para sa inyo, pero I hope na maintindihan din po ninyo yung decision namin. And sana marespeto niyo po yun. At sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung suporta niyo sa aming dalawa. So ayun po, mahal po namin kayo and we're very grateful na nandyan po kayo para sa amin.
At may number kayo sa Viva Academy.
Yes. Yes, may number kami, kakanta kami.
Thank